Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, good morning, depending on the time that you are watching this video. This is teacher Miguel Cervantes, and today we're going to practice be supposed to. In this lesson, you will learn how to use be supposed to correctly. So everybody is welcome, and let's begin. Use idiomatic and passive. Be supposed to shows expectation. Something that you were supposed to do, but you didn't do it, okay? For example, be supposed to can only be used with the present and past tense forms of the verb to be. The verb be indicating the tense. Someone expects you to do something in the present or the future. Structure in present. Singular. I'm supposed to go. You're supposed to go. He's supposed to go. She's supposed to go. It's supposed to go. Plural. We are supposed to go. You are supposed to go. They are supposed to go. Look at the past. I was supposed to go. You were supposed to go. He was supposed to go. She was supposed to go. It was supposed to go. We were supposed to go. That is in plural. We were supposed to go. You were supposed to go. And they were supposed to go. For examples, only bicyclists are supposed to use this bike path. He was supposed to be at a business meeting at 2. It's now 2:15, and he's calling to say that he'll be late. My son is supposed to keep this bird feeder full of food. While watching a movie in a movie theater, moviegoers are supposed to keep quiet. Remember, this is like to say that you had to do something, okay? You are expected to do something, but you don't or you didn't do it, okay? For any reason, you failed to do this action, okay? Here, my friends, I leave you a practice link for be supposed to, and please practice that. Click on the link. I'm going to leave the link on the video description for you to practice. Okay, it's an exercise. Please answer the activity and send your answers to me on Yammer or on WhatsApp, okay? Very well, my friends, thank you for watching the video, and I hope everybody is great. Thank you.